If you have ground connecting problems, Siegmund got a solution. So this is the ground connection from Siegmund, and this is coming from your welding machine. First of all, remove 30 millimeters from your wire protection. Then this comes first, and then you just place this on top and screw this down. So as you can see, here are 2 pins and there are slots. So this should be mounted like this, and just put this inside. So this is how it should look like in the end. And now we take a deeper look at the table connection. First of all, we just remove the silver stuff and take the nut here, and this comes next. So this screw belongs to the table and fits to all the boreholes of Siegmund. So this is 28, this is 22, and this is 16. And just place this here and then tighten this up. And now we are going to connect the welding machine with the Siegmund table. That's it. So let's try our new connection.